In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz on Canva. Whether you're making something fun for social media, a classroom activity, or an interactive presentation, starting a quiz in Canva is quick and beginner friendly. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Canva and make sure you're on the home page where you can see your projects or templates. Look towards the top right area of the screen for the main action button that lets you start something new. This is usually labeled something like Create or Create a Design. Go ahead and click on that. This is your starting point for any new Canva project, including your quiz. Once you've clicked to create a design, a search bar or menu will appear, letting you choose what type of project you want to make. In that search field, simply type the word quiz, give it a moment, and Canva will start showing you different quiz-related templates and formats. This search is important because it narrows things down to layouts that are already structured, like quizzes, saving you time on design. As you look at the results, you'll notice a variety of options. Some might be formatted for presentations, some for worksheets, and others optimized for social media posts or stories. Take a second to think about where your quiz will be used. If it's for a slideshow, a presentation size quiz works best. If you plan to print it, you might want something closer to a standard page size. Now it's time to select the size of your design. This can happen in two ways. Either Canva will offer preset sizes connected to the quiz templates you see, or you'll have the option to choose a custom size or a standard format like presentation, A4 document, or social media post. Click on the size that best fits your purpose. For example, choose a presentation size if you'll be showing your quiz on a screen, or a portrait document if students will complete it on paper. After you select the size, Canva will open a new design workspace based on that choice. From here, you can start adding your quiz questions, answers, and any visuals you like. The key steps you've just done are clicking Create, searching for quiz, and then picking the right size to match how you plan to use your quiz. Once that's set, you're ready to build out the rest of your interactive, customized quiz.